Hey friends, welcome once again to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you are new here. I'm Kshitij and I love creating DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos. And in today's video I'm creating 3 very simple interchangeable or quick change DIYs that are very cute and very easy also to make. And if you really enjoy watching today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's begin with the first DIY. For the first DIY, I'm creating a 2-in-1 sign of both Halloween and Christmas, and this can be easily swapped or turned around, and it is a perfectly fresh sign and is ready for the new season. To make this DIY, I took wooden blocks and painted them with white acrylic paint, and I also used a bit of crackle medium for some added texture for my base. As the blocks were dark in color, I did a good 2 to 3 coats of white paint, and then I let it dry nicely for around 2 to 3 hours, and then I started gluing the wooden blocks together with the help of hot glue. So once the first side was completely dry, I turned it around and I painted the other side in black acrylic paint, and then I took this Halloween sticker which said Happy Halloween, and I glued it on all the blocks like so, and then I glued a smaller sticker on top which says finally today is Halloween and Happy Halloween. So this is the first side of the sign that is ready, and on the second part, that is the opposite side, I took colorful alphabet stickers, and I glued them onto it. So this is how my two-way sign turned out. One side is Christmas and the other side is Halloween. I think it is a really quick and easy DIY. This was so easy and simple to make, and I really like how it turned out. So friends, today I'm participating in the quick change challenge, or the Interchangeable DIYs challenge, hosted by Theresa from Theresa B DIY, and also the co-hosts that are Dave's Wreath and Things and What's Jamie Making. All three of them are super talented creators, and I have linked their channels in the description box below. Check them out along with the playlist for other creators. Moving on to my second DIY. I had this Halloween sign with me, and I thought of giving it a different look also, so I turned it around and I painted the other side with white acrylic paint. Once the acrylic paint was completely dry, then I also colored the base of it, and then I started turning it into a snowman. Yes, I'm going to create a snowman out of this, and for that I took red acrylic paint and started making the cap and the scarf of the snowman. So you can see here how I use the back side of this decor piece into turning it into a snowman, and after the cap and the scarf were complete, I did small polka dots of white on it to add a little bit more of detail, and I also painted the eyes, nose and the mouth. So this is my cute little adorable snowman almost complete, and I did a touch of gold to the side part of the decor piece so that it looks all gelled up, and the sides also look really nice, and the front and back definitely looks really nice. So a little bit of gold for that added sheen, and this is my quick change and easy snowman DIY complete. So here you can see how both the DIYs turned out. One side is totally Halloween, and once you turn to the other side, it has all the Christmas vibes, that is merry and bright and colorful, and really cute. For the third and final DIY, I wanted to make a wall sign, and for that I took cardboard and I cut it into the shape of a envelope. And then I took black and white acrylic paint and I painted it in strips, like so. Here you can see that I did strips of white first, and then in between I did strips of black. I did 2 to 3 coats nicely and then let it dry. Then with black acrylic paint I added the little details of the envelope, like the folds that we have of the envelope on all the sides, like so. You can see I'm drawing the folds on which the envelope is folded. I did a very neutral color of black and white. You can use any color that you want to make the envelope, but I think because I wanted it to be used for the entire seasons, so I think black and white was the best combination that I could think of. But definitely you can decide whatever you feel like is best for you. And now comes the part wherein we are going to use the quick change part. So I cut small um, parts which are going to use for the envelope, and these are the heart sign, the egg sign, the Christmas tree sign, the Halloween sign. So these are going to be interchanged and are going to be used as tags for my envelope. So basically this envelope depicts a greeting that we get from our friends and family during all the seasons, and from our loved ones during festivals and Valentine's and fall and Halloween and Christmas and the holidays. So now that the envelope is done, I'm going to make handwritten notes, and it will look like that it is coming out of the envelope and it is sent by a loved one. And so for that I took cardstock paper and I cut it into shape like so, so that I can put it in this particular position, so that it looks like it is halfway into the envelope and halfway is coming out. And then I'm going to write a handwritten note, anything, any wish that a loved one or a friend or family sends us during holidays and during our special days. So I created 4, and depends how many you would want to create. And to hang the sign I took wooden beads and I glued them at the back. I tied a knot to secure it, and then is the fun part of adding the tags, the elemental tags, and also the handwritten notes. I also glued a little bow on top for some added detail and little to make it a little more appealing and beautiful, and I dovetailed the ends. And these are the handwritten notes that I created according to every season. Nothing very out of the way, but just simple handwritten and hand drawn little details onto it. And I placed it and in such a manner that I placed velcro, and I attached both the ends together, and this hangs really snug and in place, so that it looks just like it's coming out of the envelope. The elemental tags represent a particular season for which the handwritten note has been sent. And I think this is a really quick change DIY that we can hang onto a wall, and it looks super adorable and super cute, and I think it really looks unique too. Let me know which out of the 3 was your favorite. Thanks a lot for watching, and I shall see you all very soon. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching today. Bye bye and take care.